junk and go. Hello everybody, this is me, JP, in another awesome video. So in this video, everybody, I'm gonna share with you, right, oh my god, there's a dog. Well, some dogs right there. So in this video, everybody, I'm gonna share with you some fantastic adjectives in French. So these adjectives, everybody, are like the opposite, okay, one from the other. Okay, they're not so difficult, they're super interesting. So let's jump right in. And the first two adjectives in French, remember, they're the opposite, right, are triste and heureux. Triste, heureux. For example, je suis triste. No, je suis triste. Et l'autre adjective, no? The other adjective is heureux. Je suis heureux. Like super happy, right? Like really, really happy. Remember that, please. Je suis triste. Je suis heureux. Remember that heureux, it's for boys. If you're a girl, you're gonna say heureuse. Je suis heureuse. Ouais, c'est pour les femmes. Two more adjectives. Now you have petit. Et le contraire, grand. Right? Like petit is short and grand is like big, right? For example, je suis petit. Oh là là. Oh là là. Et je suis grande. Tu vois, grande. Alright? So we can change as well, right? You can say also tu es petit, tu es grande. Oui, ça pourrait être aussi. It's possible as well. In the case of female, okay, remember, it's not petit, c'est petite. Alright? For female, you guys are gonna say petite. Two more adjectives, everybody. So these adjectives, I like it, alright? So the first one is rapide. Le contraire, so the opposite is lent. Rapide, like this one. Oh, on va courir rapidement. Ouais, je suis rapide. Et lent. Take a look at my hair, my god. Okay, so maintenant je marche lentement. Non, je suis lent. Rapide et lent. We continue learning more adjectives in this awesome video, everybody. Okay, so two more. Right now, these adjectives are interesting too. We have mince, and the other adjective, the opposite, okay, it's gros. So what's mince? So this is like skinny, like slim, right? A person not fat, right? And the opposite, gros, that's like a fat person, a little bit overweight too, right? So for example, you guys can say, je suis mince, no, or je suis gros. Now, for les filles, no, pour les filles, for girls, okay, for girls, you guys are gonna say grosse, okay, je suis grosse. And mince, that's for the two of them, right? Pour les deux, pour les filles, pour les garçons. For girls and also for boys. There you got it. So far, we've seen 8 different adjectives in French. Let's see if you guys can recall. What's the opposite of triste? Think about it. Yes. Heureux. What's the opposite of rapide? Think about it. Yes. Lent. What's the opposite of petit? Yeah, think about it. Yes, you got the answer. Grand. Now, what's the opposite of mince? Ah, la la la. Oui, c'est ça. Gros. Et pour les filles, grosse. Bravo. I'm gonna give you some extra adjective vocabulary. Hope you guys can, decipher, can know the meaning. So the first two are forte et faible. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? So what's that? What's the meaning? What are these two words? Other two words are pauvre, riche. Pauvre, riche. The last two adjectives for today are jaune, vieux. Remember that? Jaune, vieux. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Haha. This is it. This is all, everybody. I hope you like this video. Alright, please, in the comments, let me know about the meaning of this adjective, the extra I was giving to you guys. Alright, let me know if you can decipher what are these adjectives. You can write it in Spanish, you can write it in English, that's okay. Alright, for me, that's all for today, and we're gonna see each other in another awesome video. Bye bye.